Cablevey Conveyors has recognized the need for different cleaning processes for different material applications. After materials like almonds, peanuts, and pistachios pass through a system, brushing fines off of discs and cable is sometimes needed before product changeover occurs or just for maintenance. We have developed a brush box system to clean the discs and cable. As the cable and discs move through the return, the discs and cable run in between the brushes, cleaning them with a hard poly bristle. 2 spinning brushes knock debris off of the cable and discs each time around the conveyor system, self-powered by the discs passing through. Additionally, our systems use a replaceable urethane wiper disc mounted on the cable that acts as a squeegee and sweeps fines to the turnaround unit each round. The wiper is a larger diameter than the tube, making it easy to remove any material left inside the system. Air knives are used to blow off debris at specific points where fines might accumulate. We can also supply a sponge to apply sanitizing or aseptic cleaner to be used as a temporary clamp-on piece. This is usually used at the end of a process and is removed and the sponge discarded.